Do you want to get rid of this annoying noise and scratches? We have a solution for you. X Protector set includes 357 furniture pads. They're so easy to apply. Just clean the bottom of the furniture feet, then peel and stick. You could also cut the desired size so you can match any of your furniture feet. The adhesive on the pads is very durable and long-lasting. It's perfect for almost any types of floors, including hardwood, tiles, laminate, and others. It's that simple! No more scratches and noises, your floors stay protected, and you can easily move any of your furniture. X Protector felt pads come in a variety of different sizes. You could find them useful in your kitchen, living room, bedroom, or even your outdoor patio. So, forget about damaged floors, save your money in repairs.